All right, so how to generate report. So as what I mentioned a while ago, depending on what reports you want to get, you can opt to get a daily, per week, or monthly review of all of your agents. Now, it's actually located here in the dashboard. All you have to do is either you go here, get custom, or display agent productivity. Let's try getting a week's report. So let's customize the dates. So we want to get starting from Monday to Friday. That's for example, because we all work Monday to Friday. You could actually print it in or save it as CSV file. You want to get custom, hit that one, and then there you go. This will give you a quick view of all of the numbers of your agent, but as we know, a lot of us are familiar in working this one on an Excel or a Google Sheet. So let's go ahead and save this as CSV. It's been now saved in my computer. I want to try working in this one on a Google Sheet, so I would want to upload this one, and then okay. Now here, let me open this one as a Google Sheet. Let me explain all of the stats that will come out per agent. It's just loading. There you go. So okay, so let's focus on one agent. Let's go to Nicole, and then this basically are the stats. So this is the productivity report itself. So agent connect time. She has been connected in the dialer for 30 hours. Connect time includes your idle, your manual dial. So as long as you're connected, it's going to count as your connect time. Connect calls. So there's been 49 connected calls already. Now total talk time. So these are all the total answered phone calls. How long has it been? How long has the calls been connected throughout the whole week for you? This is the total. This is the total amount. This is the total campaign contacts. So these are basically the dials. Connected campaign contacts. These are the dials. And then attempted direct or power calls. These are all your manual dials. Okay? So that's it. So very, very self-explanatory. Thank you so much. You have a great day.